Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to recover Facebook account suspended. In case you have this problem, you should first turn on the Wi-Fi on your phone, then go and open your browser on your phone and search for Facebook Help Center. Click on the first link that you will get. Then here it will show you this page. You just have to click on appeal. And once you get to this page, they will ask you to record a video of yourself just to make sure that you are the real person who are actually asking for the appeal of this account suspension. So record the video. They will tell you exactly what to do. You should use a well-lit area and you should remove anything that you are wearing on your head or on your eye, like eyeglasses or hats. And after that, click on start selfie. Then you should slowly make your head or face fit in the recording area. And they'll ask you to turn your head to the right or to the left just in order to make sure that you are the one owning the account. After that, click on submit. Then you should click on finish. They will tell you that they will review your information within 48 hours. They will upload the video that you have just recorded. After that, they will ask you for more information. They will ask you to upload your ID. So click on take a photo. Then you should choose which type of ID that you are going to use. Will you upload the passport, driving license, national ID card, etc. You just have to choose any one of these options, then take a photo of it. And you should also follow these instructions down below. Then click on get started, take a photo of the ID, then click on submit. And after that, your problem will be solved within 1 to 2 work days. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.